Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important long answer question from the chapter binomial theorem. From this chapter you are going to get two long answer questions for final examination. Out of two, one is compulsory from infinite series problem. So this is one of the infinite series problem. Let us see question. Find the sum to infinite terms of the series 7 by 5 into 1 plus 1 by 10 square plus 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 1 by 10 power 4 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 1 by 10 power 6 plus so on up to infinite. So before we find the value of the whole series, let me consider bracket expression, okay, so that you can feel easy. So for the bracket expression, give name to the series as something S. Let the series in bracket be S is equals to. So as it is, I wrote the series in bracket. Okay, after simplification of series in bracket, at last we can find the whole series, given series. If I observe the series in bracket, S is equals to 1 plus 1 by 10 square plus 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 1 by 10 power 4 plus so on. Between the terms we have plus, so immediately we should remind a formula 1 plus p by 1 into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus p into p plus q into p plus 2q by 3 factorial into x by q whole cube plus so on up to infinite. So this infinite series can be written in the form of binomial with rational index as 1 minus capital X whole power minus p by q is the formula. So after remaining this formula, now try to convert the given series into exactly the formula form. So how to convert? Let us see. S is equals to, okay, 1 same plus, here I need p by 1 into x by q. So to write p by 1 into x by q, first of all try to identify the x by q term. So instead of second term, if you see third term, you will get clarity. If I observe third term of formula, p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square. So you see 1 into 3 looks like p into p plus q divided by 1 into 2 is nothing but 2 factorial. So 1 by 10 power 4 is nothing but x by q whole square. So I need to assume this as a x by q whole square. 1 by 10 power 4 can also be written as 1 by 10 square whole square. So here I can have 1 by 10 square whole cube. Here I had 1 by 10 square whole power 1. So for me, I can understand 1 by 10 square is our x by q value. So then p by 1 become p, I can observe p value as 1. So p by 1 is nothing but 1 by 1. So I can write in the form of formula without changing its value. In the form of formula I can write the second term as 1 by 1 into 1 by 10 square, which look like p by 1 into x by q. This bracket expression is x by q plus 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 can be written as 2 factorial, and 1 by 10 power 4 can also be written as 1 by 10 square whole square plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 can be written as 3 factorial into 1 by 10 square whole cube plus so on up to infinite. Now exactly the given series has been changed to formula form. Now right hand side expression RHS is in the form of okay, 1 plus p by 1 into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square. So this is the important formula we have to remember. That's why I am reminding, okay, for 2 times. So x by q whole square plus so on up to infinite. Now compare right hand side expression with this formula. So on comparison, we are going to get values for p. P value 1 everywhere. So p is equals to 1. Next p plus q value. P into p plus q. P into p plus q. So 1 into 3. So p plus q is equals to what? 3. Next x by q. So in every problem you have to extract 3 values: p value, p plus q value, x by q value. X by q value you see everywhere x by q 1 by 10 square. 1 by 10 square. Now we got p value now. By using p value we can find q. How? By substituting p here. 1 plus q is equals to 3. So q is equals to 3 minus 1. So q value 2. So I got q value now. Now by substituting q value here, we can find x. This is a chain link process. By substituting p value we found q. By substituting q value we can find x. So let me substitute q value. X as it is by q value 2, that is equals to 1 by 10 square value 100. So now capital X become divided by 2 and shifting it become into 2. 2 by 100. So 2 ones are 250 times. So capital X value we get as 1 by 50. After having p, q and x, okay, instead of this form we can write binomial form. So the same s is equals to, so I want to replace this formula with this one: 1 minus capital X whole power minus p by q. So s is equals to 1 minus, what is capital X value? 1 by 50 whole power minus p 1 by q 2. So s is equals to, so here 50 is the LCM na? 50 into 1, 50 minus 1 whole power minus 1 by